everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Thuong. I am a Vietnamese girl living in Da Nang. In today's video, I will show you what real life is like in countryside Vietnam. I believe you have never seen that. In the last video, I said I had a vacation in my hometown. The main reason is that in a few days it will be my grandmother's death anniversary. This time my second sister and I both returned to our hometown to participate in my grandmother's death anniversary. My sisters and I wake up very early, about 4:30 a.m. to prepare food for death anniversary. Then our relatives will come to help us. Talking about my relatives, my cousins, you wouldn't believe it. We have more than 200 people, relatives living near our house. Cruz and I had about 100 people, my relatives, come to our wedding. It was just a small wedding party, as my father said. Today's death anniversary party is only about 40 people. After my grandmother's death anniversary, I got my haircut and my nails at a salon near my house. Everything is very cheap, cheaper than making them in the big city. Every time I come back to my hometown, I usually do something here. Have you ever visited a countryside market in Vietnam? If you haven't yet, try it. Do you know why I said that? I think there are a lot of people who want to talk and take pictures with you. In the countryside, people are very friendly. They always want to talk to you, even they don't know English. Or they just know, hello, thank you, where are you from? Something like that. They talk with body language. Maybe it's an interesting experience for you. The atmosphere in countryside Vietnam is very peaceful. Every time I go back to my hometown, I always riding my bike around my house, my village, admiring Jesus screen. I will miss my hometown very much when I move to America to live with my husband's family. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to introduce my hometown. Thank you for always following and supporting me. See you again in the next video. Bye!